Hey yo, I decided to do a Monika unboxing and a voice reveal to those who have enjoyed my stream. Hey, voice reveal, but decided to do Monika unboxing like I said before. When I said it, I'm stupid. You gotta remember that. A little editing, I guess. Alright, I just opened it. It had the little jump scare Monika at the beginning, right there. Oh wait, that's backward Monika. Upside down Monika be like, get that in the goddamn focus. Okay, there finally. And the whole thing's here. So far. I have nothing to say in my head. Just empty. Alright, continuing on from here. Now, it's open fully. So here's the figure and the background image, which comes with the box as well behind it. All the extra arms are with extra arms. This. Extra faces as well, obviously. We got this. For, of course, her ending spooky part as well. For whenever you're streaming. The extra legs for whenever you... Well, for that part as well. And also the arms that goes with it as well. You get everything for Monika. And everything to make her happy. So, whenever I get my next nendoroid, I'll show my next unboxing.